Hey guys, what's up? It's Jairaj from JD Techlink. In today's video, I am going to show you 10 Windows 10 hidden settings you must change right now. So let's begin. Number 1. Creating a virtual desktop. What this will do is create virtual desktop so that you can instantly switch between them to hide your game or social media service you are using. To create a new virtual desktop, simply press Windows plus Control plus D and it will create a new virtual desktop. You can switch between them by pressing Windows, Control, left key and right key. To close a virtual desktop, simply press Windows, Control plus F4. Number 2. Enabling Clipboard Manager so that you can sync your clipboard to another Windows 10 devices or to manage your clipboard items. For that, you need to open settings. Simply press Windows plus I to launch setting. Then go to system. Then go to clipboard and enable these two options, clipboard history and sync across path. What this will do is enable clipboard manager and it will sync your clipboard manager to another Windows 10 device you have. You can launch clipboard manager by simply pressing Windows plus V and it will show each and everything you copied till now. After enabling clipboard manager, it will also show images if you copied an image. Number 3. Secret start menu. This will give some options that are not available in start menu. For example, run, command prompt, device manager, event viewer, etc. For that, you need to go to start menu and right click on it to access this hidden menu. Number 4. Customizing tiles available in start menu. For that, you need to go to start menu. Here you can customize your tiles by right clicking on tile, click on resize, and here you can customize its size. You can also turn live tile on and off by clicking on more. Number 5. Improving functionality of print screen button. As we all know, pressing print screen just copies the display but does not gives you to save it or customize screenshots. For that, you need to go to settings, go to home, go to ease of access, scroll down to keyboard, scroll down to print screen shortcut and enable this button. What this will do is whenever you press print screen button, it will open snip and sketch tool which will allow you to take a screenshot in different manners. For example, in free form, to take a windowed mode, full screen, or anything you want. You can also annotate it if you want by simply clicking on this notification. Number 6. Hidden game bar. This can be used to record screen, analyze performance and much more. It can be also used while gaming. For that, you need to simply press Windows plus G and after that you can check your performance usage. You can take a screenshot, record it. You can also pin performance manager so that you can watch it while gaming. and you can also unpin it again. Number 7, using emoji keyboard. As we all know, when we are using social media services like Facebook or WhatsApp on your desktop computer, there is no way to add a emoji, but for it there is a simple trick. Simply press Windows plus period button to access emoji keyboard. You can add a emoji, emoji, or a symbol, and it's simply just a click. Number 8, customize focus assist. You can customize focus assist to allow notification that you want. You can also remove notifications that you don't want to access while you are in focus assist mode. For that, you need to go to system, then go to focus assist, then click on customize your priority list. Now you can remove or add anything you want. For example, if I don't want nearby sharing option, I can simply click on it and click on remove. Or if you want to add a new notification, then click on add an app. And then simply click on app that you want to show. For example, if I want digital well-being notification on my computer even when focus assist is on, simply click on digital well-being and it will add it instantly. Number 9, customizing command prompt. To look, you can customize your command prompt to make it look better, or you can also use it to make it transparent. I will show you how to make command prompt transparent. Simply launch command prompt and then right click on this icon, go to properties. Now you can customize it. You can enable copy paste functionality. You can change font size, layout, color. You can also even make it transparent if you want. As you can see, command prompt is now transparent. This makes command prompt look even better. Then click on OK and you can see command prompt is now transparent. Number 10, making Windows 10 search feature even better. As you might know, Windows 10 added search functionality. It's completely bare bone, but you can increase its functionality by going to settings, then go to search in Windows, and then click on enhanced. What this will do is search in your entire PC, including library and desktop. As you came to the end of the video, here's a bonus one. Opening File Explorer brings you to the quick access, but you can change it to this PC. For that, you need to open File Explorer, then click on View, click on Options, and change it to this PC. Apply it and press OK. Now whenever you click File Explorer option, it will directly launch to this PC. Thank you guys for watching this video. Subscribe to JT Tech Link for more awesome content like this. This is Jairaj signing off.